You probably think I'm crackers, but that's another one of my highlights. To stop and see a train come across the road. I just love
Look
it.
at that. There's some towns where these go down the middle of the street. I've got to go to one.
Yeah.
Just amazing. Right down the middle of the high street with a 1 mile train and everybody's just waiting. Oh, this is not a 1 mile train.
Yeah, I was going to say.
It's doing 1 mile an hour.
Bill Gates
Is a Nazi beautiful.
Biden sucks.
Biden sucks. They're not seeing this.
Has you not seen it?
People are overplaying.
Fuck Joe Biden.
Is he not very popular then? He's very old, isn't he?
Jeez. There's some weighting near the bottom of that thing.
Wow, yeah.
That's weird, that is. What the hell? It's bent.
Oh, he's had enough. He's like, I'm out.
There is a similar ETA, but he's still got to cross the track somewhere.
He's fed up with waiting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, he knows probably how long the
Yeah.
train is.
Well, I don't care. It's
Let's see if we can have a look as he's seen to the distance. Is there an exclamation mark here somewhere? There's a lot of things. That's the one.
Stopped before, we never stopped one this long.
Eh?
Never stopped one this long.
No, we haven't. Well, probably this long. They've come through a bit quicker.
Yeah. I wonder what they're carrying.
It looks like gravel or something. Yeah, we've got a few oil cans here now. Bloody hell.
Well, it's quite a big curve. That's probably why he had to
Yeah.
slow down.
I mean, these things are just used around the dock areas. I'm guessing they're going to or from a ship or something, and then they get whatever's on there goes onto a truck. Because these things, these ain't fit for main line.
No, they do look a bit
They're dilapidated.